Welcome in. Today we are looking at a cool little paradiddle exercise by AYALA High School. It goes just like this. So there are a few elite high school drum lines in the States, and AYALA is no exception. This is like Hogwarts for drummers, all right? We're going to jump straight in on this exercise on that first line. It's simply paradiddles and variations of those with some bounce triplets. First bar, we've got paradiddle, diddle, diddle, all right? It seems popular at the moment amongst drum lines. Paradiddle, diddle, diddle, and then the same off the left. Paradiddle, diddle, diddle. We're looking for a big difference between our accents and our tap strokes, all right? We're going to try two of those. Paradiddle, diddle, diddle, paradiddle, diddle, diddle. So you can see the second bar. We then jump into paradiddle, diddle, a normal paradiddle, and then a left-handed paradiddle, diddle, which is going to put us back on the left hand. So I'm going to play the release on this one as well, all right? So paradiddle, diddle, paradiddle, paradiddle, diddle, stop. I nearly missed that. I'm going to put those two together. I'm going to do this with a mat. I'm going to go way down to about, let's go 100 and, what's that, 110, all right? Again. One more time. Now this starts as if they're going to play the same again off the left hand. Paradiddle, diddle, diddle, paradiddle, diddle, diddle. But what we do this time is we simply play 4 paradiddles, and that's the whole of that line. So we've got right-handed, then left-handed, but, which again ends it on that left hand. Let's try that with a minute. 2, 3, 4. More time. 2, 3, 4. If you look at the next line, what you're going to see essentially is exactly the same thing, however, it's off the left, all right? So paradiddle, diddle, diddle, paradiddle, diddle, diddle, paradiddle, diddle, paradiddle, paradiddle, diddle. Then paradiddle, 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 stop. So we're just going to try that one straight off, okay? If you need a moment, pause the video. 3, 4. That's half done already, all right? This next part, what we've got then, the first 2 bars, we've got a pattern that goes like this. So it ends up on the left hand again. However, that's 2 bars of 4. It may have been easier to write this out as a bar of 3, then a bar of 2, because the pattern goes paradiddle stop, which is just a paradiddle release, paradiddle stop, then 2 bounce triplets, and then that's repeated. So we get paradiddle stop, bounce triplet, paradiddle stop, bounce triplet, stop. Those are our 3s. 1 E under 2, under 3 E under 1 E under 2, under 3 E under. Then what we do is another one of these paradiddle, diddle, diddles to end on the left hand. Okay, so we get paradiddle stop, paradiddle stop. Oh, that was bad. Paradiddle stop, paradiddle stop, paradiddle, diddle, diddle stop, paradiddle stop, paradiddle stop, paradiddle, diddle, diddle stop, Then we're going to do exactly the same off the left hand. Again, some of you might need a moment there to figure this out, right? Paradiddle stop off the left hand. Then 2 left-handed bounce triplets. So paradiddle stop, bounce triplet, bounce triplet. And that's going to repeat. Paradiddle stop, bounce triplet, and then another one of these. Paradiddle, diddle, diddle to get back out, right? If you need a moment, take a moment, pause the video. I'm going to try the whole line with the metronome. Like 2, 3, 4. I'm sure some of you, if you check yourself out in a mirror, and now instead of playing it with these different accents, starting to bring this stuff up. You've got to get that difference in accents, all right? So figure out which one's going to be downstroke, so we hit then stop the stick low, and which one's going to rebound back up. Next line, final line, right? We start off with paradiddle diddle, then 2 bounce triplets again, but this time we just do a normal paradiddle to finish out the phrase, right? So we get paradiddle diddle, and that was a bad one. Paradiddle diddle, bounce triplet, paradiddle stop, and come on, Geoff. Paradiddle diddle, bounce triplet, paradiddle stop. There we go. Paradiddle diddle, bounce triplet, paradiddle stop. Again. Paradiddle diddle, bounce triplet, paradiddle stop. Well, the next bar is exactly the same thing, but again off that left hand. Paradiddle diddle, bounce triplet, paradiddle stop. I'm going to do both of those 2 bars, but with a met. 2, 3, 4. Again. 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 And then our final phrase, the end of this line, we get this pattern that starts with 2 paradiddles, then a quiet release. But then we get this pattern that happens where we are playing singles and then doubles. So 1, 2, 3, 4, double, double. 1, 2, 3, 4, double, double. 1, 2, 3, 4, double, double. 1, 2, 3, 4, double. Now this is quite a difficult thing to do. The first 2 are all quiet. Then we suddenly bring out the 4 and we rim shot that part. So that part on its own will go 1, 2, 3, 4, double, double. 1, 2, 3, 4, double, double. 1, 2, 3, 4, rim, bang. Now the release is going to be a right-handed flam. We're going to kind of float this left hand and then left hand flam out of it. So if we go for those 2 bars, I've got paradiddle, paradiddle, single, double, double. That's hard to say and play, right? So what I'm going to do is start through the metronome. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Whole of that line. Then again, 3, 4. And that's the whole thing, right? What I'm going to do is what I always do with you guys. We're going to have a go together, playing it through, slow, medium, and then fast. We're going to start 110 beats a minute. We're going to try the whole thing that speed. Man, I got in from a gig at like 3 in the morning last night, so excuse my lack of being able to talk. All right, let's try this. So 1, 2. again, 2, 3, 4. Oh, nearly. Let's take that up to... That's quite a bit faster, right? We'll try it though, 140. That's our speed. 1, 2, 3, and... Again, 1, 2, 3, and... And then we'll take it up, let's try one... Oh, should we push it? 170. Let's see if I can hang at 170, right? This is going to be hard because we're going to have to really place these diddles without it starting to turn into kind of Russian, alright? So let's do the best we can. Here we go. 170. Try one more. So if you are struggling with that exercise at all, right, go check out the original video of that, right, by George Collins. Go check it out, because what they do is they also take the first part of the exercise and they do a whole paradiddle breakdown section where instead of playing the whole part, paradiddle, diddle, diddle, paradiddle, diddle, diddle, do stuff like just to work the diddles in there, and it's too hard to explain, right? You need to just go and watch it, right? Maybe I'll do a video on that. Okay, hopefully you enjoyed this lesson today, right? Go check out some of these high school drum lines, right? Some of these elite high school drum lines are playing the same kind of exercises you're going to see in WGI and DCI. If you're enjoying these, as always, please make sure you're subscribed. Please make sure you leave me some comments. I do read the comments. I've got loads of stuff on a list now, exercises you want me to work out, or particularly snare breaks and things like that. Other exercises you like, let me know. I quite enjoy doing the exercises. Man, I got to go to sleep early tonight. Again, thanks for watching. I'll see you all again next time. I hope you enjoyed.